my name is Suma. I am from Tirupati and it's in Andhra Pradesh. I recently graduated in MCA with aggregate of 7.9 CGPA, and with MCA I did a non-IT job in a Aegis Healthcare company. It's a US based company. Here I got it a 1.7 experience, and before joining QSPIDERS I did this non-IT job, and after coming to the QSPIDERS I took a course as a software testing course. Here I learned as an SQL, Java and manual testing, API testing like this classes, and I was added by the Rijwan sir and Akshay sir to this requirement, software testing engineer with a L3 LPA, and this QSPIDERS gave me a lot of opportunities to me to move my career with a best opportunity, and thank you for the QSPIDERS at the main branch of Basavanagudi.